What's up, Nail Geeks, and welcome back to a Beaux Reves fall collection. This is a quad, so a small but mighty set inspired by dreamy cloud formations. The head in the cloud features really strong shimmers that I'm completely associating Sarah with at this point, and these are just so lovely and shimmery good. So I'm going to quit yammering and let's check them out. Starting off this rainy day parade is Don't Be So Cirrus. This is a taupe brown base with red to gold, amber to green, shifting shimmers. This is what I would describe as an amped up type of neutral. It's almost like a office color, if you will. I think this gives this nice warm type of brown effect. And in most lighting situations, you will see that shimmer come off as that beautiful red contrast against that very taupe warm base. At more extreme angles, you will see this amber type of shift, and then there's that gold at the edges. And at the most extreme angles, you will see a green. It's quite shifty in person, and it's very soft overall, almost like an opaque, milky finish in how it builds up. I'm going to suggest 3 coats and a glossy top coat. Make Do is an ash violet base with magenta to golden to blue to purple shifting shimmer. This is another soft type of buildup. Again, I would describe all 4 of the polishes in this collection as being like milky style finishes, but again, they hit opacity on the 3rd coat if you have wide load nails like myself, or any type of free edge. As you can see on each of my coats, I'm going in normal for myself. Formula is very forgiving across the board. It's got this very stay put type of formula, and that paddle brush just helps to keep it in place. So excellent formula on all in the set. Now, Make Do has this lovely blue to purple shift that you see on my macro shot there. It's just as obvious in person. Reigning Champion is a steely light blue base with aqua to green to violet shifting shimmer. This one would have to be my top pick in this set. It was kind of tough picking which one I enjoyed the most out of these last 3. That first one, the brown, is a touch warm. I think it leaned just a bit more as a almost nude against my skin tone. Now that one I do think is going to play up against your respective color across the spectrum, of course. Anyways, these last 3 are so flattering. They popped really well against my skin tone, but Reigning Champion, the shimmer on this is so, I don't know. I just really liked that nice aqua glow against that backdrop. This one's also got a really obvious purple shift too. And then lastly, we've got Silver Lining. This is a dove gray base with magenta to blue to green shimmers and hollow sparkle. The holographic look from the official description is what I would say more is like a super subtle type of sparkle. I'm not seeing anything overly dense or like linear in fashion, if you will, but it's a soft type of sparkle. I think what's going to catch your eye the most is this beautiful, stunning, obvious shimmer in person. This also had that nice milky, almost cream-like buildup and plumpness and all that awesome sauce. So I would suggest using a good glossy top coat on all 4, as they did dry down on the more flat side, which is indicative to shimmer-filled polishes. And we're going to wrap this up with a real quick willet topper segment. This is where I use a black swatch stick to demonstrate if polishes have layering capabilities. Spoiler alert, I'm just going to yammer on at this last little bit here. They all work really well over black, and you can see how much shimmer is in each polish. I think they will also work very well over maybe pastel matchy-match colors. I think you could probably get a little creative with that. They have so much shimmer that if you did decide to layer them, I think one normal coat is perfect. Just be a touch mindful of potential streaking over an undie. I think black is going to be the most obvious if you go in uneven. The Head in the Clouds collection is going to drop officially September 19th at 12 p.m. Central Time. I will link you all below to Beaux Reves website if you wanted to check that out. And I'll also link you to the Facebook group if you want to join that. Myself and Lisa are admins over there, and we will happily let you in. And as always, if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.